Hi everybody. Today we're making blueberry cream cheese crumb cake. What you'll need is a cup of flour. You'll need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You need salt. You need a half of a cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 2 sticks, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the topping, you'll need a half a cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of flour, and cinnamon. Oh, and of course, you're going to need fresh blueberries. Now, the first thing I need to do is preheat my oven to 350. Okay, let's get started. Let's mix together our butter and our sugar. Making sure that the butter is nice and soft so that it mixes appropriately well and easy. And you want to mix this until it starts to look a little fluffy. Oh, great. Now it's time to add the cream cheese to the mix. We'll mix this until it's fully combined. That's pretty good. Now I want to add my egg and vanilla extract. Okay, maybe that's a bit much, but okay, we're okay. And the egg. Now that this is combined, let's add our flour, baking powder, and salt gradually. Not all at once. Get it nice and combined. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Now with the mix that you have here, I think we now should get our hands on our blueberries. Get this out of the way. Let's fold in. Let's fold in the blueberries gently. Okay. Gently fold in the blueberries. Don't want to crush them. Sort of folding them in, giving them their space. And now that you've got that going on, now what we want to do is put this in a nice greased pan. Just so you can see what's going on. So you've got your huge blueberries. You've got your cream cheese and your butter and your sugar. And now, because we're calling it the crumb topping, let's do something about the crumb topping. How about that? So let's get this in here. Don't crush it. Sort of place it in there nice and gently. I think I got too many blueberries on that side. Put one over here. I think that'll do the trick. If you've got, so trying not to crush these blueberries. I got too many blueberries on one side. I think when I mix them, or all the other thing is I'd probably have these, could have had the smaller blueberries. Now let's see if we can scrape this stuff off, because it's not working the way it is. There you go. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Layer that in. We'll have more blueberries on one side than the other. Batter is thick, but that's okay. I think it's fluffy enough. Okay, now for your crumb topping, this is where we have, and you want to spread this generously. You have your brown sugar, your flour, and your cinnamon. I want to just really be generous about this. Get it everywhere. Get it just everywhere. There you go. I want it to be just nice, and I think that's enough. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. Now this goes in the oven for about a half an hour, 45 minutes. Be right back. Okay, everybody, this is it. 35 minutes in the oven and about an hour's worth of cooling before serving. Just cut it up here. Let's take a look. As you can see, blueberries, cake, and of course, let's give it a taste. Delicious. I hope that you enjoyed it. So did I. Please tune in again and remember to subscribe. Bye.